Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2023 Toyota Hilux, stock number 5900. It ran from the 09-2015 to the current shape. It has a 1GD FTV 2.8 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. Here we have the 1GD FTV 2.8 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard, no dents. Here we have the bonnet, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear taillight. ARB aftermarket canopy. Right front mirror. Right front door trim, master switch, center console, manual 6-speed gear shifter, AC controls, touchscreen factory satnav stereo, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, courtesy light with sunglass holder, factory vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster, so this is a Hilux stock number 5900.